Hey everyone, slightly different video today. It is really dark outside, so I'm not doing a picture in picture. I'm afraid it's going to be sped up as well. If I get round to it, I will be doing a voiceover, perhaps, maybe. We'll see how we get on. I've got I had for Christmas a couple of Amazon vouchers, and I bought some Dilutions journals. These are actually art journals. Now this one, as you can see, it's I've decorated it because you can't just have a plain journal. That's what it was like, just plain cardboard. I love working with wet media, so acrylic paints and inks, watercolours, everything like that. So I thought, this would make a perfect journal, just an ordinary journal. So I thought we'd have a bit of a journal with me. Because what I'm finding is when I do things like texture paste and watercolours, which is what that is, it tends to go through my normal paper. So let's journal, and we'll have a bit of a play. So, plain stamp, let's have a bit of background. And I've got some I'm going to put a book under it because my pages, just to try and level out the page a bit. That'll give me a better... I've got scraps of paper, so we can have a bit of a collage. It's got a vintage theme, this one has. I'll quite like that. I just printed off some A2C size cards, plain on the back, and I've printed off some stickers. I love this saying, Eleanor Roosevelt, you must do the things you think you cannot do. And that's looking a little plain across the top, so let's just put I think I'm going to leave it at that. Right, there we go. One spread. Not quite sure where this one came from. I just like the words because I can. I did have some more stickers actually. Fomio, I don't know. God, I've had it for ages and I've never used it because it's so, I don't really, I got it out the other day for the grandkids when they were here and they had great fun with it. So I thought, so you start to have a play and then you think, maybe I quite like that. This is printed on plain backing paper. Because, yeah, you could go on forever just doing these. Let's put that one there. I am going to call that complete because it's getting a bit full now. Right, done. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed it. Given you some ideas perhaps. Till the next time, I'll speak to you all later. Take care now. Bye.